3 months ago, a 22-year-old college dropout from Texas woke up at 11:47 a.m. to a PayPal notification that changed his life. It wasn't a lottery win. It wasn't crypto. And it definitely wasn't some get-rich-quick scam from TikTok. It was a simple $480 payment from a client he had never met in person. The crazy part? The work was completed almost entirely by AI while he was asleep. No office, no employees, no expensive setup, just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a strategy almost nobody is talking about right now. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this AI side hustle is exploding across America, why regular people are quietly making money with it, and why most creators on YouTube still haven't caught on. Because here's the truth. Most people think AI money making is all about asking ChatGPT to write blog posts or generate random images. That's what everybody talks about. But the real money isn't in using AI for entertainment. The real money is in solving expensive problems for businesses. In the United States right now, small businesses are overwhelmed. Realtors, gym owners, dentists, local restaurants, online coaches, insurance agents, and even law firms are all trying to keep up with content, emails, customer messages, ads, and social media. They need help badly, but most of them can't afford to hire a full marketing team. That's where this hidden AI side hustle comes in. It's called AI content automation, and honestly, it's one of the easiest modern businesses to start if you know how to package it correctly. The concept is simple. You use AI tools to create high-quality content for businesses faster than a normal person ever could. Social media posts, ad copy, email campaigns, short-form video scripts, captions, thumbnails, product descriptions, newsletters, and even automated replies. Businesses save time, you make money, and AI does most of the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Now before you click away thinking, I'm not skilled enough for this, listen carefully. The people making money with this aren't coding geniuses. A lot of them are ordinary Americans working from apartments, coffee shops, dorm rooms, or even from their parents' house. Some started with zero business experience. One guy in Florida started doing this while delivering DoorDash at night. Another woman in Arizona used AI to manage content for local skincare brands and now charges over $2,000 per month per client. This isn't theory anymore. This is happening right now. The reason this opportunity exists is because businesses care about one thing: attention. In America, attention equals money. If a business stops posting online, it slowly disappears. Customers forget about it. Competitors take over. But consistently creating content is exhausting. Most business owners hate doing it. They don't know what to post, how to write captions, or how to keep up with trends. That pain is exactly what creates this opportunity. Imagine you walk into a local gym in Los Angeles. The owner has amazing equipment, great trainers, and loyal members, but their Instagram page looks dead. Their TikTok has the videos from last year. Their Facebook posts get no engagement. They know social media matters, but they don't have time to deal with it. Now imagine you tell them, I can create 30 days of content for your business using AI and schedule everything for you. Suddenly, you're not some random teenager online. You're solving a business problem. That's why companies pay. Here's where it gets interesting. Most people think AI-generated content looks robotic, but the smart creators know how to make it feel human. That's the secret. AI isn't replacing creativity. It's speeding it up. The best AI side hustlers don't just press one button and upload whatever comes out. They guide the AI. They give it personality. They shape the tone. They know how Americans talk online. They know how to create hooks that stop people from scrolling. For example, instead of writing a boring fitness caption like "Join our gym," today, an AI-powered creator might generate something like, "The hardest part isn't working out, it's walking through the door for the first time." That feels real, emotional, human, and businesses love content that connects emotionally because emotional content sells. Now let's talk money, because this is the part everyone wants to know. A beginner doing AI content automation might charge a local business $300 to $500 per month for content packages. That alone can become serious income with just a few clients. 5 clients at $500 per month is already $2,500 monthly. And remember, AI is helping you produce the work faster. Once people gain experience, they start charging $1,000, $2,000, or even more depending on the niche. Some agencies in the US are scaling this into full-time businesses generating 6 figures a year. But the craziest part? Most small businesses still don't even know these services exist. They know AI is popular, but they don't know how to use it effectively. That knowledge gap is where the opportunity lives. Whenever technology changes, the people who learn early usually make the most money. Think about YouTube in 2012, dropshipping in 2016, crypto in 2020, AI. Automation right now feels very similar. We are still early. A lot of people watching this are probably wondering, okay, but how do you actually start? The answer is surprisingly simple. First, pick one niche. Don't try to serve everybody. In America, niche businesses work better because you can speak directly to specific problems. Maybe you target real estate agents in Miami, maybe dentists in New York, maybe fitness coaches in California. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to stand out. Then, you use AI tools to create systems. ChatGPT can generate captions, scripts, email ideas, add hooks, and content calendars. AI image tools can help with graphics and thumbnails. Video editing AI can turn long clips into short-form TikToks or YouTube Shorts. Scheduling tools can automate posting. What once required an entire marketing team can now be handled by one person with the right setup. And here's another reason. This side hustle is exploding in the US economy right now. Businesses are cutting costs. Companies want results without hiring expensive employees. Hiring a full-time social media manager in America can cost thousands every month, but paying an AI-powered freelancer a few $100s feels affordable. That's why demand keeps growing. Now I want to tell you about a guy named Marcus from Chicago. Marcus was working retail, making barely enough to pay rent. He started learning AI tools late at night after work because he kept hearing people talk about the future of AI. At first, he was skeptical. He thought AI was overhyped, but instead of chasing complicated tech jobs, he focused on one thing: helping local businesses post content online. He created a fake demo Instagram account using AI-generated posts just to show examples. Then he started messaging local businesses directly. At first, nobody responded. Then one coffee shop owner replied with, "How much?" Marcus offered to create 1 week of content for free. The owner loved it because engagement instantly improved. Within 2 months, Marcus had for paying clients. Within 6 months, he quit retail completely. Today, he spends more time managing clients than actually creating content because AI handles so much of the production process. That's another important lesson. Most people fail online because they consume content instead of building systems. They spend hours watching motivational videos but never send a single message to a client. The people winning with AI are taking action early while everyone else is still debating whether AI is good or bad. And look, this isn't magic money. You still need effort. You still need communication skills. You still need consistency. But compared to traditional businesses, the startup cost is ridiculously low. You don't need inventory. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need employees. Some people literally start with free AI tools and a basic laptop. Another reason this works especially well in the United States is because American businesses move fast. Trends change fast. Marketing changes fast. Attention spans are short. Companies constantly need fresh content to survive. That means recurring income opportunities. You're not just selling one-time work. You can build monthly retainers, which is where real stability comes from. And honestly, the psychology behind this business is fascinating. Businesses don't really buy content. They buy growth. They buy visibility. They buy the feeling that their company is staying relevant. If your AI-powered content helps them get more customers, they won't care whether AI helped create it. They only care about results. That's why storytelling matters so much. Generic content is everywhere now. AI made content creation easier, but it also flooded the internet with low-quality posts. The winners in this new era will be the people who know how to make content feel emotional, authentic, and relatable. That's the difference between content people scroll past and content people remember. And here's something almost nobody tells beginners. Your first client changes everything psychologically. Before your first payment, this whole idea feels fake. You doubt yourself constantly. You wonder if anyone would actually pay you online. But once someone sends you money for a skill powered by AI, your mindset changes forever. Suddenly, the internet stops feeling like entertainment and starts feeling like opportunity. Right now, thousands of people across America are quietly building income streams with AI while everyone else argues about whether AI will take jobs away. The smartest people aren't panicking. They're adapting. Every major technology shift creates winners and losers. The people who learn the tools early usually end up ahead. So if you're watching this wondering whether it's too late, it's not. In fact, this may be one of the earliest stages of the AI business boom. Most small businesses still haven't fully integrated AI into their daily operations. Most people still don't understand how powerful these tools are when combined with creativity and business strategy. The biggest mistake you can make right now is waiting until everybody else catches on, because once a business opportunity becomes obvious to the entire internet, Competition explodes, attention drops, prices fall, but right now, we're still in that sweet spot where demand is growing faster than supply. And maybe the most exciting part of all this is freedom. A lot of people in America are tired of living paycheck to paycheck. They're tired of commuting, tired of asking permission for time off, tired of feeling stuck financially. AI side hustles aren't just about money. They represent a new kind of leverage. One person can now produce the output that used to require an entire team. That changes everything. So the next time somebody says AI is only for tech geniuses, remember this. Somewhere in the US right now, a regular person is sitting in a small apartment making money with AI-powered content while the rest of the world scrolls past the opportunity without noticing it. And the craziest part? Almost nobody is talking about it yet.